Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn about switch in Python. Switch is added to Python in 3.10. So instead of writing multiple if else logic, it's better we can write it using switch condition. Now here what we are going to do is, if I will press 1, we wanted to print 1. If I will press 2, then I want to print 2. If I press 3, I want to print 3. Otherwise, any other number if I'm going to press, that time it should say other. Example 5. So this logic how to implement using switch. So in Python we are calling it as match. So first let's take the user input. So I'll say choice equal to input. I'll say enter a number, and here I will change the data type to integer. Then here it will be match choice, and then case if it is 1, then we are going to print 1. Second, if it is 2, we are going to print 2. Similarly for 3, so press 3, then we are going to print 3. And for any other things similar to if and else, so if no condition is getting satisfied, then it will go to the else part. So in switch also, if none of the above is getting matched, then by default it will be default condition. Say other. Now let's run this. So press 1, I'm getting 1. Let's try 2, I'm getting 2 here. Let's try with 3, getting 3. Now any other number if I'll press sample 5, then I'm getting other. So this code, instead of writing if, elif, it will look little bit better if you wanted to use the switch condition. So thanks for watching.